This is the Massca M2 Pro Pocket Hole Jig System Bundle. The Massca M2 Pocket Hole Jig is changing the standard for pocket hole jigs. Crafted for the stability and versatility of your joinery needs, our new M2 model is here and we've added a special touch to it. Our new M2 jig makes it easier than ever to work with longer pieces of lumber and repeat measurements. Each model comes with 2 lockable steel stabilizing bars and support stop blocks that adjust laterally to the exact length of your desired measurement to provide more stability and versatility to your pocket hole cuts. The Massca Pro Aluminum Pocket Hole Jig System M2 features a well-balanced full-body aluminum frame and hardened steel drill guides to provide a reliable woodworking support base in the workshop or on the worksite. Our jig's metal construction ensures a tough and heavy-duty pocket hole jig that's meant to last a lifetime while also feeling sleek to the touch. Our newest Pro model now includes stabilizing bars and stop blocks for easier work with longer boards and quick exact cuts. You get the support you need when working with longer pieces of lumber and the ease when working with precise measurements. With the included dust spout connector, you can easily capture loose debris, particles, and sawdust while creating your pocket holes to reduce allergens in the air for dust-free drilling. Our new Pro Pocket Hole Jig System also features a T-track slot, which allows you to clamp the M2 to a workbench or other structure to stabilize the jig. Each pocket hole jig kit features an easy drill depth knob to quickly adjust to the thickness of the wood, avoiding damage, splinters, or splits. The included drill depth knob allows you to quickly set the stop collar on your drill bit to ensure proper drilling depth on materials from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 1/2 inches. With the Massca M2's integrated clamping system, you can easily adjust the clamping pressure depending on the size materials you're using. The M2 clamp accepts materials from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 1/2 inches thick and can be micro adjusted for any sizes in between. The M2 Pro Pocket Hole Jig gives you the ability to drill with advanced hole precision. You can create perfect pocket holes, repair wood joints, and accurately pre-drill pilot holes at the right angle before connecting wood boards using the Massca M2 Pro Pocket Hole Jig. Each M2 jig comes standard with extra carpentry accessories. We've added a hex key, stop collar, set of screws, as well as a drill and driver bit. These accessories help you set the right drill depth and allow you to get started working with wood quickly and easily. The Massca M2 Pro Pocket Hole Jig System can also be easily converted into a portable pocket hole jig for use on larger stock or on the job site to make quick pocket holes. Setting up the Massca M2 Pro Pocket Hole Jig is quick and easy. The integrated thickness scale allows you to quickly see the thickness of the material you're using, in this case 3/4 of an inch. Using that measurement, you will set the drill guide block to 3/4 of an inch. Then using the drill depth knob, set the collar on your drill bit to 3/4 of an inch. You're now ready to drill pocket holes into 3/4 inch material. Additionally, you can opt for the Massca M2 bundle, which includes a 200 unit pocket hole screw set and a 10-inch face clamp. The screw set comes with 200 self-tapping screws and 6 of the most commonly used varieties. With this set, you'll get 35 1 1/4 inch fine thread screws. You'll also get 40 each of the 1 and 1 1/4 inch screws, 30 each of the 1 1/2 and 2 inch screws, and 25 2 1/2 inch coarse thread screws. These screws are neatly organized in the included box for your convenience. The 10-inch face clamp included with the bundle is perfect for holding parts during assembly. The versatility of the Massca M2 Pro Pocket Hole Jig allows beginners and advanced woodworkers alike to create amazing projects. From cabinetry and drawers to indoor and outdoor furniture, pocket hole joinery with the Massca M2 Pro system unlocks your woodworking creativity and allows you to take your skills to the next level. The Massca M2 Pro is the toughest pocket hole jig on the market, which ensures you will enjoy a lifetime of project building.